Jake's Concrete Forming has been doing foundations in the Woodstock and surrounding area for almost 45 years. We take pride in our work, and what more could be asked for in the key component of your home or building? Sure, there have been changes at Jake's over the years, but some things will never change. Walls that are straight and square, walls that have a level, smooth top, and forms that are replaced regularly for that perfect wall. We do this every day. We go above and beyond to make your project a success. A challenging issue during excavation can be resolved with experience. We have valued employees that have been with us for up to 22 years. We know the holes cannot be open for long. Our work is fast and efficient. We clean up after ourselves, put grade and floor lines on, book inspections, schedule waterproofing and stone service, pour basement and garage floors, and whatever else needs to be done. We would like to thank our valued home builders and commercial contractors who have helped build this company to what it is today. Have you worked with us? Thanks for choosing us. You understand the difference. If not, give us a shout anytime. Let's talk about how a few decades of perfection will make your building project better. A special thank you to our employees. Randy, Brian, TJ, Justin, William, and Matt. Your dedication to your trade and contribution to every project makes all the difference.
My name is Ryan Van Manen. I am very proud to be part of this great team, and I'm looking forward to continuing the Jake's Concrete Forming tradition.
We know that every job has to be perfect, always. Perfection is what we did yesterday, what we're doing today, and that's where we're focused tomorrow.